Your favorite cousin is back. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Ms. Velveteen performed in a comedy show last week and she was really good and all that, but it got me to thinking about this comedian that I dated a few times. And thinking about him makes me crave wine, so here's a little wine drink I made that's really good. All you do is add 1 ounce of rye and a squeeze of lime juice to a wine glass and fill with your favorite dry red. Ms. Velveteen only had wine in a bottle, so I'm making do with that. Anyway, this comedian, whose name was Chad, was really a rich kid from Connecticut. He was doing comedy on the down low in the city because he didn't want his friends and family to know about it. He was pretty young, but he was kind of funny and he had money so he could take me places. The problem with Chad was he kept getting arrested. He was always in the wrong place at the wrong time or mistaken for someone else or some other nonsense. And he would always call me when he got arrested because he didn't want to call his attorney because he didn't want his attorney to know he was doing comedy in the city. Finally, I got tired of being his one phone call and broke it off. It was only a matter of time before it rubbed off on me and I ended up in the jug with him. And I've already got my stepmommy in prison for trying to kill me. I don't need any more criminal element in my life. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. They'll be back on Thursday with another Liquored Up live broadcast, but don't worry, I'll see you again real soon.